Check engine light on with a P0171 code. Your engine may be running too lean, and a bad oxygen sensor could be the reason. In this video, I'll show you one simple DIY method to inspect and replace the O2 sensor at home. By replacing your car's damaged oxygen sensor, you can easily fix the P0171 error code yourself. P0171 means the engine is running too lean on bank 1. That means there's too much air and not enough fuel in the air-fuel mixture. A failing oxygen sensor can send incorrect readings to the ECU and trigger this code. In this case, you can drive a short distance, but if you get the P0171 error code, you should have your car repaired as soon as possible. In this video, I will show you how to fix error codes at home with a practical solution to repair a potentially faulty component in your car. The oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor, helps determine in real time whether the air-fuel ratio of a combustion engine is rich or lean. Oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter, and the location of the sensors is given below. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause excessive black smoke to come out of the exhaust. You may notice a significant loss of fuel efficiency and an excessive rotten egg smell. Now I will show you how to solve the P0171 code error. That's the O2 sensor problem. Watch very carefully. The issue is very serious. Watch, learn, and save money. Before starting, I want to say that don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Engine Clinic. Let's start the real thing. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter by looking at it. Make sure to check the electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs of the oxygen sensor for any damage. If any damage is found, replace the oxygen sensor with a new one. So here is an effective solution to fix the P0171 code error or O2 sensor. The important advice for you will be, always use the correct oxygen sensor for your car model. Cheap and low quality sensors can cause the code to come back. And that's how to fix a P0171 engine code with one DIY oxygen sensor replacement method. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what car you're working on. More easy DIY engine code fixes coming soon.